Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing on percentage. I'm going to give a quick definition on what percentage is all about, right? Percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100, okay? So now we're going to look at some examples so we can fully understand what percentage is all about practically, okay? Example number one. Express 2/5 as a percentage. Okay, so we're going to express 2/5 as a percentage. Solution. Expressing this as a percentage will be 2/5 times 100/1, right? So I'm going to multiply 2 times 105 times 1, which is going to give us 200/5, right? 200 divided by 5 is going to give me 40. So this is my answer. 40% is my answer. Okay, so let's go to the second example. Okay, so our second example would be calculate 27% of 90. Solution. Okay, so in order to achieve this, we're going to say 27/100 times 90/1, right? So I'm going to say right here, I'm going to cancel this 0 by this 0, right? Then I'll be left with 27 times 9, right, over 10 times 1, which is going to give us 243/10. And 243 divided by 10 is equal to 24.3. So this is my answer, right? So I'm going to get a new sheet so I can continue with few other exercises. So my example number 3 would be, right, express 30% as a decimal. Okay, so let's dive into the solution. This is very simple and straightforward. All you just need to do is 30 divided by 100, right, is equals to, so we have 0.3 as our answer. Okay, so let's go to the fourth one, and this should be the last on percentage that we'll be working on today, right? So I'm going to say a worker earns $400 a week, right? Then receives a 6% increase. calculate his new wage. Calculate the new wage, the new weekly wage rather. Okay, so let's dive into the solution, right? A worker earns $400 a week, then receive a 6% increase, calculates the new weekly wage. So basically what they want us to calculate is his new weekly wage after the 6% increase, right? Initially he earns $400 a week, and that is going to change because a 6% increase has been made. So let us dive into it. So we're going to say 400, right, times 6 over 100. Okay. So now we want to calculate how much was added to his weekly wage, right? So we're going to say this go by this cancel this. So we're left with 24. So this is $24. That means $24 was added to his weekly wage, right? So therefore, we're going to say $400 plus $24 is equals to what? Is equals to $424. This will be his new weekly wage. Okay, so we have come to the end of percentage. If you like to see more videos on this, please subscribe, please share and like. Thank you. Bye.